365 Slough Creek Drive. This is a Ken LeClair built condominium, part of CT Condo Association. This is from Phase 2, originally planned in September of 2005. This unit was built in actually 2006. The association dues are $160. They cover the exterior of the building, snow removal, lawn upkeep and watering, and garbage. The front door facing Slough Creek, nice wide hallway. Front bedroom looks out onto Slough Creek Drive, well lighted. Closet area. Entrance to the main bathroom for the home, off the front bedroom. 6-foot vanity, shower tub combination. Directly across is the laundry area, washer dryer, conveniently located. The main hall closet, access to the crawl space underneath, forced air furnace is there. Ground floor hot water heat, propane, master bedroom, master bedroom closet, 36 feet of closet rod, lots of shelves. Master bathroom, dual sinks, 36-inch high vanity, tub, and glass tile shower. Master bath closet, lots of nice deep shelves for storage and towels. Across from the master bath is an efficient kitchen. Alder cabinets. Maple floor. With a pantry directly across from the kitchen. Living dining room area, spacious, well lighted. Gas-fired fireplace. Living area extends onto the covered patio. Mature trees give nice shade in the summertime. This part of the house faces Resort Drive. A block and a half from resort, from the condo is the development with commercial, restaurant, brewery. Adjacent two-car garage.